Hello students. Today we're going to blend a word with the long A, and then we're going to change out the beginning sound to make new words. So let's take a look at this word. There's an A in the middle, which is our vowel, but there's an E at the end. Remember that bossy E bonks the A on the head, and it says, say your name, A. So when we blend this word, the A is going to say its name, A. But when we blend the word, the E is silent. It won't make a sound. Okay, try this word with me. K. Ache. K. Ache. Cake. Now we're going to just change the beginning sound. Now let's try it. Ache. Ache, fake. Let's change the beginning sound to a different letter. Try this one. Ache, ache, make. Now we know this says ache. Let's blend it a little bit faster. Ache, bake. If we take out the b and we put a t, try this one with me. T, ache, take. Change that t to and now it is ache, rake. Take off the and put a s, ache, sake. Take off the s and put ache, wake. Take off the and put